Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a custom domain on Gumroad. To get started, open Gumroad and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the dashboard, take a moment to orient yourself. This is where you manage your store, products, and account settings, and it's the starting point for adding a custom domain. From the dashboard, look to the lower left navigation area and click on your profile account. This section gives you access to your account level options, including the settings that control how your store appears and functions. If you don't immediately see it, just check the bottom of the left sidebar. After opening your account menu, click on Settings. This is where Gumroad keeps the main configuration options for your account. You'll be taken to a page with several tabs or sections, so the next step is to move into the area that contains the domain settings. Once you're in Settings, click on Advanced. This section includes more detailed configuration options, including the area where you can connect a custom domain to your Gumroad storefront. If you're following along for the first time, it's a good idea to go slowly here so you don't miss the correct field. In the Custom Domain field, enter your custom domain. Make sure you type it carefully and use the exact domain you want connected to your Gumroad page. It's important to avoid typos here, since even a small mistake can prevent verification from working properly. If your domain is managed through a separate domain provider, you may also want to double-check that the domain is active and correctly set up on that side before continuing. After entering the custom domain, click on Verify. This tells Gumroad to check whether the domain is ready to be connected. Verification may happen quickly, but in some cases it can take a little time, especially if domain-related changes are still updating. If it doesn't verify right away, it may help to wait a short while and try again. And that's the process for adding a custom domain on Gumroad. Once verification is successful, your store can begin using that custom web address, giving your brand a more professional and personalized look. Thanks for following along, and we hope this walkthrough made the setup process simple and clear.